No, we'll
We're the wrong people to interview.
We'll eventually get there. You might get 10 seconds out of this. I'm Paul.
I'm Kelly.
And we both own a business called Timber Assembly. We specialise in timber-inspired furniture, kitchens, anything that's related to solid timber will do. We're in a town called Montmorency, which is about 20 kilometres out from the Melbourne CBD. The house was built in originally in 1926. We bought in 2017, it's a small 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom. And as our family grew, we needed to create more space. And being that it was a 100-year-old kind of weatherboard cottage, we wanted to inject a bit of light and freshness. We've both got a similar design mind, do you think?
Yeah, we definitely have the same style, which has obviously helped within the design process. We wanted to kind of incorporate arches and modern fixtures, as well as kind of keeping the traditional heritage of the home in the front part of the house.
Yeah, there was a lot of healthy design debates, a lot of compromising, which meant...
And I got my way,
She got her way every time we compromised, which was nice. As you walk in, you've got both our girls' rooms on the left and right, which is in the older part of the house. From then on, we go into the laundry to the right, then the original bathroom, and into the new area, which is the kitchen and living area. As we go upstairs, we get to a kind of, I guess, a parent's retreat. And then our master bedroom and ensuite and walk-in robe. We chose the white fixtures from ABI because mainly the island wanted to be a bit of a focal point when you walk in. We've got a bit of texture on the back with American ash. We wanted that island to be really like a crisp white, almost like centerpiece. And ABI had that white range of fixtures which just worked perfectly with it. We both love design and home design, interior design, architecture. We really want to kind of maximise this house.
And we knew the vision that we had, what we wanted to achieve.
It was an experience building your own house and designing your own house.
But we're really happy with the result.